Hello. We're talking triangles today. Are you ready? Now, if you think back in our classroom, we do have a lot of triangles. There are a lot of triangles out there in the world, but in our classroom, in particular the sensorial area, we have boxes that are dedicated strictly to triangles. If you think about it, the rectangular box A, rectangular box B, the triangle box, large hexagonal box, small hexagonal box, all of them, even though they don't have triangle in their title other than the triangle box, they're all made up of triangles inside the boxes and jobs that we work on, and we create different shapes out of triangles. Today we're going to learn three new ones and just give them their real name. Okay, learn their true name. Okay, talk a bit about them. The first one here, this is called an equilateral triangle. So you hear me say equal, equal. All it means is the three sides, they're all equal. They're all the same length, so that is why we call it an equilateral triangle. Can you say that, please? Thank you. So this is an equilateral triangle. This one next is called a right-angled isosceles triangle. And what do you notice when you look at this? Well, it's different than the equilateral triangle because all of the sides aren't the same length. So what we know in this is that two of the sides, 1, 2, they are the same length. But the third one is not. Okay? So what's this one called again? This is called an isosceles what? Do you remember? What's it called? It's a right-angled isosceles triangle. Good. Next, now this one is totally different from the other two, and yet it's still a triangle. This is called a right-angled scalene triangle. And what do you notice with this? Still has three sides. Are the three sides equal? No. Are two sides equal? Are they the same length? No. Are all sides different? A different length? Yes. So you see 1, 2, 3, all of them are different lengths. You were right. So there you have it. So let's look at them again. We have an equilateral triangle. We have a right-angled isosceles triangle where two sides are the same, one is different. And lastly, we have the right-angled scalene triangle where 1, 2, 3 sides are different. Good for you. Will you remember them? I hope so.